Just like we did in an earlier lab, we're going to run 5 trials and take the average. Make sure you release it from the same spot every time. And again, you'll hit the green button to start it, and then it will sit and wait, and you can just do 5 quick trials. Just make sure you're releasing it from the same spot. You can put a piece of tape on the side. I wouldn't put a piece of tape where the car runs over it because that will affect its acceleration. We don't want to do that. If you just want to put a little mark on there, that's fine too. And then and I don't have it on this video, but you can hit the table button after you run it 5 times, as we did in the table buttons, the far left button, and you can just read your values off and then take the average of that for your velocity. After we have the initial velocity, as we said in the lab overview, we're going to now start counting from here. You will release the car from the same location that you did before, but we're going to start counting the time here. So our initial velocity is the final velocity from part 1, and you're going to predict how far it will go in 0.3 seconds. Then you simply take a piece of tape and you put it at whatever that location is, and it turns out it's a lot easier for us to test the time when it hits the tape than find the distance at a certain time. So we're claiming that it should be 0.3 seconds when we hit that mark. So then we'll take video physics, you let it go, and you measure, not from here, you measure the time it took the car to get from the photo gate to here. So when you do your video physics, you want to be able to see right when the front of the car breaks the eye gate.